Good day everyone. Welcome back to my vlog. So, today I will be answering the question of my student. And the question is somehow confidential. So, I just won't mention her name. Attorney, may nabili akong isang property nung single pa ako. Na-register ko yun sa aking pangalan year 1984. Then I got married year 1985. Sa ngayon, hiwalay ako sa asawa ko. Can I validly sell the property even without the signature or consent of my husband dahil conjugal property siya? Okay, since there was no mention that you have a prenuptial agreement and considering that you got married year 1984, then the default property regime that will govern your property relations will be conjugal partnership of gains. So, rules ng conjugal partnership of gains ang i-discuss ko ngayon. However, first thing that I need to discuss or to clarify is that the property that you have mentioned earlier is not part of your conjugal partnership of gains. Why? Kasi nabili mo tong property na to nung single ka pa. Under Article 116 of the Family Code, all property acquired during the marriage, whether the acquisition appears to have been made, contracted, or registered in the name of one or both spouses, is presumed to be conjugal. Please do take note na ang sinabi sa batas ay during the marriage. So, kung ano lang yung mga properties na na-acquire nyo nung kasal na kayo. So, dahil itong mga properties or yung property na na-mention mo earlier ay nabili mo nung bago ka pa ikinasal, nakapangalan yun sa'yo nung single ka pa, hindi yun magfo-fall doon sa conjugal property regime ninyong mag-asawa. So, with that, since exclusive property siya, you can sell this property even without the consent of your husband. And the basis is Article 111 of the Family Code. A spouse of age may mortgage, encumber, alienate, or otherwise dispose of his or her exclusive property without the consent of the other spouse. I hope you have been enlightened with my explanation. Thank you. This is Attorney Rolly, your licensed real estate broker, licensed real estate appraiser, licensed real estate consultant, and an attorney at law. Ingat!